Step into the Ram 2020 1500 Laramie. If you are looking for an automobile with great features, look no further. This vehicle's top features include ParkSense front rear park assist with STOP, transmission, 8-speed automatic, 8 horsepower 75, gross vehicle weight, 7,100 pounds, 3.21 rear axle ratio, STD, monotone paint, black leather trim bucket seats included, bucket seats full-length upgraded floor console, front and rear rubber floor mats, wheels, 20-inch x 9 inches premium paint polish included, tires 275/55 A20 OWL all season and bright white clear coat. If you are looking for a new truck, this might be the one. Low mileage is an important factor in your purchase, and this vehicle delivers a low odometer reading. Don't let this vehicle get away. Call or click to schedule a test drive today.